Virgo, first card ninyo, we have death energy. Wow. So, this is change, no? And ang pagbabagong ito, alinsunod ito sa gusto ninyong mangyaring pagbabago. So, this is you going to decide kung ano yung babaguhin mo. Decision mo to na, kunyari, gusto mong baguhin, no? Yung relationship mo with other people. 'Di ba? Ikaw yan, gusto mo yan, no? Gusto mong magbago ng tirahan, that's you. Yan ang gusto mo, yung ganon. So, this is something that you are going to decide on to change at magte-take action ka na. No, maaring hindi lahat no ng gusto mong baguhin ay gagawin mo yan all at the same time. But ang mahalaga dito, you are gusto mo no, na magkaroon ng pagbabago, you're going to clean up your life, magdi-declutter ka na buhay mo rito. Kasi see that energy, ano ito releasing of an old energy. This is you going to let go of something or someone that doesn't serve your highest good. You are releasing or you're letting go of something or someone na hindi na nakakabuti sa inyo sa tingin mo, kaya yan ay tatanggalin mo na. Yung mga ganun ba? Kumbaga, ano to, in with the new, old, out with the old energy. Yung ganon. So, ganon tipo. Kaya this is exciting, no? Kasi there is definitely a new beginning, no, na mangyayari rito. So, we have Page of Wands. Ang maganda rin dito, this is exciting, no? Exciting ito. Meron dito mga balita na papasok, and this is balita that is going to be related to something na po pwedeng related sa ano mo, sa passion mo, you know. Maaring meron ditong balita about offers, no, wherein magagawa mo yung passion mo, wherein may express mo yung sarili mo, may express mo kung ano man ang mga bagay na gusto mong i-express, yung mga ganong tipo. So we also have the Two of Cups. Yan. So, Two of Cups is partnership. No? Baka meron kayong bagong partnership dito with someone. Pwedeng bagong kaibigan ito na dadating, bagong business partner, bagong pwede rin na bagong relationship mo ito, pwedeng ganon, no? So, this is bond between two people, no? This is going to be, siguro, mamimit mo din dito yung soulmate mo, yung ganon, ano? Or pwedeng this is your existing relationship at mas lalo mo pang, kumbaga, mas lalo pa ninyong paiigtingin, kumbaga, ang inyong relasyon, no? So, pwedeng ganon ang ganap dyan.